Once we have calculated the cooling loads, we can select to export the loads to fan coils. Then from the design program we will draw the fan coil network. We will first place the fan coils. I choose to place roof units at 2.8 meters from the floor level. We can define the position Z with two ways. First, we can change the receptor's height from the property panel. Another way is to set the current elevation. When selecting current elevation, everything that will be drawn will be placed on that elevation. We can copy the units on the other spaces. The next step is to define the piping network. Only the supply network can be installed, and the program will include the return network in the calculation sheet. Using the current elevation, we define the installation height of the piping network. We design the network using supply pipe, and the receptors will be connected with the automatic command. A vertical pipe will be placed to connect the first and second floor. The vertical pipe will be connected with the collector using a supply pipe. We will use node snap for the collector and perpendicular snap for the vertical pipe. The same procedure will be done for the first floor. In the end, we run the network recognition, and after making sure that everything is correct, we transfer to the calculations. After the design data is entered in the calculations, we go to the tab, Project Data, Network, to confirm the calculation data. Here we can set some basic parameters, like the water temperature, the pipe's type, the maximum water velocity, etc. In the calculation sheet, we can select hydraulic solution, and the calculations will be done automatically. On the network checking menu, we can see that the liquid speed at 2.10 section is 0.611, while the max water velocity we have selected is 0.6. We can return on the calculation sheet and select a desirable diameter bigger than the calculated. In the circulator calculation window, a pump with hydraulic solution is selected. More calculations and printouts can be seen from the Windows tab. If required, the user can check the completeness of the fan coils for thermal loads. All you have to do is export the fan coil results to the 2-pipe. Then we open the 2-pipe system and select the project. We notice that the fan coils network is imported in the calculation sheet. We check the diameters of the pipes, if they are identical to those of the fan coils network. Finally, we return to the design to update the drawings, to export the vertical diagram and the 3D axonometric drawing of the installation.